One more?
You want another one?
One more? Let's go.
Let's get another one.
What's up, Bread Gang? I hope everybody's having a fantastic day. It's an interesting day today. We're at my store. Say hey to Rob. Hey, Rob.
What's up, guys?
We got something crazy going on today. So in the last couple videos, I'm gonna jump right into it. Last video, not Sunday, but the one before that, y'all saw my buddy Rob here with the black Mustang over there. Did a crazy burnout that's coming out in the hype video. I got a set of stocks that I told y'all about, and that's what we're gonna do today. So we're gonna put the stocks on the back of the truck right here. We're gonna put the stocks, some 275s over there, and we're gonna put them on the back of the truck, and we're gonna take them to Mexico and we're gonna roast them. And well, we'll get into that. Let's roll the intro. They're gonna hate me for this one. Gotten a lot of bread today. Everybody get kicked out of Bojangles. While we're waiting, I do have Bread Gang decals being made currently. I'm working on designs and stuff like that. So Bread Gang decals will be on sale, will be for sale within the next week or two. I'm working on that, so expect that. We're gonna get this switched over real quick and head to Mexico. Hola. Looking out my mirror and seeing no stance is the weirdest thing. You look up front and I got 8 inches of tires sticking out, and then in the back there's nothing. We've officially made it to Mexico. No one speaks English here. So how we found this place, I have no idea. But I want to give y'all a look at what the truck looks like. And this is the beauty. So again, y'all know 9-inch lift, 375 in the front, huge tire, and 2-inch lift and 275s in the back. I don't think y'all understand the looks that I was getting while we were driving down here was hilarious. And everybody at the shop, at my shop that saw it, was just dying laughing. This is the funniest looking thing. I mean, driving down the road, I think Rob's got some videos of it, but it's just the funniest looking thing. And I'm honestly, I hate it though. I'm ready to do what we need to do and get it off. So the goal today is to, I'm not trying to roast them off completely because I'm gonna sell them, but we're not gonna roast them off completely. But I want to at least, leave some rubber on the ground and do my first burnout. I've never done a burnout before. I'm really scared to do this. I'm like genuinely nervous to do this. I don't want to rip the differential out of my truck. I'm genuinely nervous, but we're just gonna see how it goes. So the goal today is just roast them a little bit, see what we can do. We got a little patch of concrete here to work with, which is perfect right off the road. And then we got a little boat ramp behind us. So we're gonna send it. We didn't bring Rob's car with us because today's all about the truck, but I'm sure y'all are tired of me talking, so we're gonna get into it. All right, talk me through this. Let's do a little
little work there. Okay, so basically, first thing you're gonna want to do is you're gonna want to be using both feet. So your left foot's gonna want to be on the brake, and I'm
not doing it right now, but I'm just trying to.
So left foot on the brake, rev your truck up, and then just slam it to first, and then go to town. Just start ripping.
Oh.
And what you're gonna want to do is if you'll be able to feel if your RPM start dropping, you'll realize your wheels are stopped spinning. That's when you let off the brake a little bit, and you'll get them respinning again. So, but you shouldn't have a problem. You should be able to just hammer it down. Well, let me see.
I should be able to just hammer down one good time and break them loose. So
you should be able to just hammer down and let it go, and let it eat. But if it doesn't, then you can it's just a feather game between the brake and the gas.
Well, like Tall Guy Car Review says, there's nothing to it but to do it. So I'm gonna pass the camera off to my man Rob here, and we're gonna see what we can do. Oh, I'm so nervous. I'm so nervous, you have no idea. I should probably turn traction control off.
Yeah, traction control all the way off, make sure all that's done. Okay. And then put it in neutral, put your left foot all the way on the brake, rev it up, drop it in first. You gotta rev it up, man. Come on.
Rev it more than that?
You gotta get it ripping.
Oh, it's gotta like be revved enough.
It's gotta be four. It's gotta be 4.
Should I try and wet them a little bit?
You didn't even drop it in first.
I did.
You dropped it in
I
first?
did drop it in first.
How what RPM were you at?
Like 3,000.
Oh, you got to be 4 or 5.
Oh, really?
You got to be way up there in it.
We can get the all of the.
All right, yo, you should be able to. Let's try it. 4 or 5,000. Keep her going. You got to keep her going.
Like it stops though.
It stops?
Yeah, it's not letting me.
What do you mean? When you put it in first, what's it doing?
Nothing.
It just drops down?
Yeah. Even I let my foot off the gas and it's not going anywhere. Am I not supposed to hold the brake all the way down?
You try not holding it all the way down. That might be the reason.
My foot's not even on the brake right now. There, it jumped a little bit, but.
I'm not sure.
What if I just put it? Oh. So if I bet if I just leave it in first gear.
Maybe you might be able to roll into it. Yes, sir! That's what I'm talking about,
Let's
baby.
get this bread, baby!
That's what I'm talking about.
Oh man, that was so cool. Oh!
Let's go look at these tire marks.
Oh! Oh my goodness. Oh, I'm so like, oh my goodness.
Look at all this, look at this. It's just
Dang,
with the
that's
rubber,
so
man.
cool. Holy crap.
Smoking.
So that's how we do a burnout.
Oh, man.
How did it look? Was it cool?
Dude, it looks great. As soon as it broke loose, it just ate, man. Yeah, that was nice.
Is my
So you ended up knowing more than I did.
everything sounds all right.
You ended up knowing more than I did. There's plenty of tread left on this one.
Oh, that's fine.
You're great.
You want to one more?
You want another one?
One more? Let's
back
one
it up.
more.
Let's get another one. Let's back it up. Part 2. See, you ended up knowing more than I did. It's all just about experimenting. I just know how to do it with a manual car.
Smells like rubber.
Oh, it smells good. That's the best smell in the world.
Oh, I'm like shaking. Holy crap.
Isn't that, dude, wasn't that fun? First burnout?
Get the dude, that was crazy.
It's great, isn't it? When it torques to the side like that, it just eats, man. It's so good. All right, let's get a close up. How'd that feel?
All right, here we go. Challenge to you. If I get this video, what, 5,000 or 10,000?
10,000.
10,000 views and I'll roast the 375s. 10,000, 10K. 10,000 views and I'll roast the 375s. I'll put the 375s back on. I'll come back out here and I'll roast the 375s. That is your challenge. 10,000 views. There's nothing less off to, I'm like, I can't even talk right now. That was so much fun. That was so cool. Shout out to my man, Rob. Oh God, that was so cool. You want to, there's nothing hold on, let me. There's nothing else left to say but one thing.
Let's get this bread.